InPrint is the exhibition of print technology for industrial manufacturing. Innovative printing applications allow printing on all kinds of materials, surfaces and shapes. Printing on plastic, wood, film, textiles, glass, ceramic and metal are now possible, and it enables manufacturers to add value to their products in a cost-efficient way. New digital, inkjet, screen and specialty printing applications make individualization of products easy. They allow manufacturers to meet the growing demand for bespoke design solutions. InPrint offers printing solutions for a wide range of industries, such as automotive, architecture, interior design, flooring, consumer goods and many other sectors will gain a competitive advantage by focusing on print. InPrint Munich, where manufacturers find print technology to make smarter products.